Hi everyone, my name is Nur Hafizal bin Shadi and I'm very excited to be here today to share with you some knowledge about public speaking. I am a lecturer, English language lecturer at College Professional Mara Sri Iskandar Perak. I'm currently teaching MPU 2232 Public Speaking and Communication. Without further ado, let's get started, everyone. Public speaking scary? Many people are afraid of public speaking. Public speaking is not about being perfect, it's about being effective. Do you know what is the term called fear of public speaking? Yes, that is glossophobia. It is a common anxiety disorder characterized by intense fear and physical symptoms like a racing heart or sweating, stemming for a fear of judgment, often managed by preparation, relaxation, exposure, and positive self-talk. Public speaking is the ability to share ideas and confidently with an audience. Anyone can learn this skill. This is the definition of public speaking. Confidence is the first key to effective public speaking. Simple actions like eye contact and practice can increase confidence. Posture and gesture are also play a very crucial role in public speaking. Okay, let's move on to the structure of the public speaking speech. As we learned that an effective speech has a clear structure. Start with an introduction, explain your points, and end with a strong conclusion. Very basic speech structure. We have introduction, body, and conclusions. There are three parts in public speaking speech structure. The content or the main points of each speech, it may differ to each other because we have a few types of speech. There are informative speech, persuasive speech, demonstrative speech, and impromptu speech that we learn in college. Next, we have key element 3, that is delivery, which consists of voice, gesture, and pace. Delivery methods use a clear voice, natural gestures, and speak at a steady pace. In public speaking, mistakes might happen, and very common mistakes that speakers always do is such as reading slides, speaking too fast, and avoid contact. Awareness helps speakers improve. Last but not least, effective public speaking is a skill that improves with practice. The more you speak, the more confident you become. That's the end of my lesson today. Thanks for having me. Thank you. Bye.